Start? All right. Very good morning, afternoon to all of you. And today we are going to learn, or you can say we are going to study our chapter number 4, that is operating a computer. Okay. Before reading the chapter, we will see this video first. Okay.
Switch on the main power supply button. Switch on the UPS button. To switch on the computer, press the power button of CPU. We will get the welcome screen of Windows 10. Click on the username and enter the password. After entering the password, we will get the desktop. A desktop screen contains various applications in a pictorial form. These pictures are known as icons.
So this was a short video, okay, which tells you how to put on a computer, like how do we operate a computer. All right, now let me share another screen with you. This is a page of your book. All right, so we are going to read this chapter. We have already done this chapter. I explained you this chapter in one of the class, but today we will read the chapter according to your book. All right, as you know that computer is a machine. You all know that computer has different parts. All right, and you know that computer has different parts. Okay, can you just remind what are the different parts of a computer? A computer has CPU. Okay, a computer has monitor, it has a mouse, it has keyboard also. Now this short video which was shown to you, in this video it was basically it was basically demonstrated like how do we put on a computer. Now to put on a computer, you all know that computer needs electricity to work with. You know it, no, that computer is a machine. It cannot work without electricity, and I hope you know what is electricity. Electricity is what is electricity? जिसको आप लाइट बोलते हो, राइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ना आप अपने घरों में, you all might have seen this kind of switch in your homes. Have you seen this kind of switch, this kind of sockets? So whenever you want to work with the computer, we are talking about a desktop computer here. Okay, this CPU is also shown. So we are talking about a desktop computer. This is called as a socket. Okay, where these three holes are there, this portion where my pointer is placed. I hope you all can see my pointer. So this is a socket, and this is a main power supply button. This is your main power supply button, and this is UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. UPS is what? UPS is uninterrupted power supply. We connect this UPS to this power plug. Okay, we connect UPS to the power plug. Now why do we connect this UPS here? Because what happens when power goes off, when electricity goes off, this UPS gives power to the computer. So this is a battery of your computer. When this UPS comes into play when your electricity goes off. When electricity goes off, आपका जो computer है वो बंद ना हो जाए, उसके लिए one battery has been attached with the computer, and that battery is called as UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. All right. This is your CPU, and you all might have seen this button on your CPU. सीपीयू के ऊपर यहाँ पे एक गोल बटन होता है या फिर स्क्वायर बटन होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पावर बटन ऑफ योर सीपीयू. That is called as power button of your CPU. Okay, so to start a computer, what do we do? First of all, we put on this socket button. Okay, we put on this button here. Then second step, we put on this button which is on the UPS. Okay, then after putting on this UPS button, we put on this button, that is power button of the CPU, and then last we put on power button of monitor. This is your monitor. Monitor के ऊपर यहाँ साइड पे there is a small button जिसको power button बोलते हैं. उसको on करने से आपका monitor on हो जाता है. तो how do we put on a computer? First of all, we put on main power supply button, then we put on power button of the UPS, then we put on power button of CPU, and then at last we put on power button of monitor. Okay, now I want all of you to keep your fingers on the book. Page number is open, no? Page number 30. I'll read it for you. You all must keep your finger on the word. So it is written, children, in the previous chapter, we have learned about the parts and functions of a computer. Now let us learn how to work on a computer. To start a computer, follow these steps. First step is switch on the main power supply button. Second step is switch on the UPS button. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. Third step, switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Fourth step is switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. Then children, you will enjoy using Windows as it is very easy to use. Windows is the most powerful program that makes the computer work. The first display screen that appears on starting a computer is known as desktop. Okay, so these devices I have already explained you so many times. PPTs were shown to you regarding these devices and how do we operate a computer. That PPT was also shared with you. So this is your desktop. When we put on this button, when we put on this power button of the CPU and monitor button, power button of the monitor, you get this screen. Okay, this screen is called as desktop. What do we call this screen as? We call it as a desktop. And on your desktop you have small pictures like this. All these pictures, these are called as icons. On your computer screen you have icons. Okay, then here at this lower corner you have a button. That button is called as start button. Okay, and this long bar, this long blue bar which is running across the bottom of the monitor, ये सबसे नीचे ये जो blue color की line दिख रही है जिसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे icons हैं, this is called as taskbar. This is your taskbar. Okay, so the desktop holds many small pictures. Those small pictures are called as icons. Okay, and this thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. When you peep through your bedroom window, you can see different views, no? In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows like Paint, movies, music, and games. Now, next thing is how do we start a program? To start a program, what do? We click here. This start button, I told you na, that at the bottom of your monitor, this is a long horizontal bar which is called as taskbar. And on the left corner of this taskbar, you have a start button. तो कोई भी प्रोग्राम को खोलने के लिए you click on this button. Okay, how do? You just click on this start button, and after clicking this, you get all programs. After all programs, you will get various options. If you want to work with WordPad, you can work with WordPad. If you want to open Paint, you can open Paint. If you want to open a calculator, you can open that also. So this way you can open any of the application. All right. Then is how do we resize a window? Resize का मतलब है इनको छोटा या बड़ा करना. Okay, this is a window. This is called as a window. Now on this window you have, see, you have three buttons here. One is minus button, another one is square button, rectangle in fact, and then we have a cross. So these are called as control buttons. To resize a window, you can click. If you click this minus button, your window becomes very small. It becomes very small and it comes at the taskbar. Okay. If you click this maximize button, your window covers the entire screen of your monitor. And if you click this cross button, this window gets closed if you click at the cross button. Okay, so using these three buttons you can resize your window. Okay, now let me read this. This is what you can change the size of a window. Look at the control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. Here, these are called as control buttons. Okay. Click on the middle button. Middle button का क्या नाम होता है? Restore button. Okay. Restore down. If you click that button, your window can be either maximized or restored. अगर आपने minimize किया हुआ है window को, that you have to restore the window. और अगर आप मैक्सिमाइज मोड में हो तो आपको यहाँ पे डबल रेक्टेंगल्स मिलेंगे जिसके थ्रू आप रिस्टोर कर सकते हो. ओके, so these are the three buttons: minimize, maximize and close button. These are called as control buttons. All right, next you have to move this window. Moving का मतलब है to drag this window anywhere on the screen. तो how do we move? You just click this title bar. ये जो बार होता है सबसे ऊपर विंडो के ऊपर, that is called as title bar. You can drag your title bar and you can move this window up and down anywhere. Wherever you want, you can move this window. So click on the middle button. The window will become smaller in size. Click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. Drag the WordPad window to the right side and now move the pointer over the desktop area and wherever you want to keep it, you can. Okay. Then this bar, which is at the top right of the window, which is at the top of the window, that is called as title bar. Here it is written title bar. Okay. Now if your window is active, this title bar is blue. Okay, and if this title bar is gray, that means window is inactive. Okay, if title bar is blue, window is active, and if title bar is gray, then window is inactive. Next is how do we shut down a computer? To shut down a computer, what do? You click on the start button and then you click on shut down option. Then you click on shut down. See, here you click, you will get shutdown option here. Then you click this shutdown and then your computer automatically gets turned off. Okay, so this page we have already done. We did this page in the previous class, no? Say yes, no in the chat box. We all have copied this page in a book, no? This page has been done. Done or not? Page number 33 has already been written. Now you move to page number 34. Open your book, page number 34, and complete this quickly. Page number 34. Okay. Now, first is tick the right answer. First question is dash makes a computer work when electricity goes off. When electricity goes off, UPS or CPU or both A and B, they makes computer to work. तो I told you कि जब लाइट चली जाती है तो हमारी बैटरी कौन होता है? UPS. So you will write UPS in the first blank. UPS makes a computer work when electricity goes off. I want all of you to copy these answers faster. Then second is dash button on the title bar makes the WordPad window smaller in size. I told you that you have three buttons on the title bar. Restore down button is there, close button is there, and minimize button is there. Now if we minimize if we click on minimize, our title bar, our window comes to the taskbar. Okay, that means it gets disappeared. So we have to make the window smaller. So we will click on restore down option. We will click on restore down. Copied. Third is to open the WordPad program, click on the start all programs. Then we have dash and WordPad. There in dash you will have to write accessories because WordPad window is there in the accessories option. So you write down, put a tick in this box, in B box, that is accessories. Written, done. Next you have when a window is active, the title bar turns blue, gray or green. So when a window is active, title bar turns blue. So put a tick in blue. Very good. Written. Did you all copy this? Take the right answers. Copied? Very good. Now this is your question. First question is, this. What is Windows? So answer is Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. So copy down this answer faster. I hope you all can see what is displayed on the screen. Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Now when you finish writing this first answer, please write done in the chat box that ma'am we did. Then I'll come to know that whether you completed or not. Copy this answer faster, because when I send you answers on the Snap homework, you tell ma'am we did not receive, and plus you do not copy. That also is the problem. You do not write all the answers. Then again and again ma'am cannot send, no? So write down faster now. Okay, Shivanya Chadak has written. Very good. Okay. Be little faster, girls. All those who are writing. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot also. You can take a screenshot of your phone screen and then you can copy later if you are not able to copy. Second question is, what does the blue title bar indicate? So answer is, it indicates that the window is active. It indicates that the window is active. Sargun Sharma, I will give you time later. You are raising your hand. You might have some question with you. You can type your question in the chat box. Otherwise, you can wait for a while. If it is very important, you can type it in the chat box. I'll read from there. Right now, I cannot unmute you. If it is something very important, you can type it in the chat box. This is already full screen, bache. Sahajdeep Kaur, it is already full screen. It indicates that the window is active. Second answer. Then third question is, which button do we click first to shut down our computer? So where do we click? We click on start button. Where do we click to shut down a computer? We click on start button. All right, copy fast. Then those who have written third answer can copy fourth also. When the title bar is gray in color, what does it mean? What does it mean? It means that the window is not active. It means that the window is not active. Fourth answer is, it means that the window is not active. Then you have last question of this chapter, that is, what are icons? Icons are what now? Icons are the small pictures on the desktop. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Did you copy? Did you finish copying? Did you write? All of you, did you copy? All right, let's move on to the next page then. This is your next page, activity page. What is the activity? Activity is, A is how to switch off your computer. These pictures are already done. These are already drawn in your book. You just need to put numbers. So to shut down a computer, to switch off a computer, first what do? We click on the start button. So here write 1 in this box. That is the first step. Okay. First step is, we click on start button. Then second step is, here we get shutdown option. So you click on shutdown option. Okay, here you write down 2. Done. Then after clicking shutdown, what do? You put off power button of your monitor. So here you write down 3. All right. Then after putting off power button of monitor, we put off the UPS. Here you write down 4. This is UPS, no? We write down 4 here. And then at last, we put off this main power plug. We put off main power plug at last. So you write 5 here. This is first. This is 2. This is 3. This one is 4 and this one is 5. Okay, next is, B part is, find the words related to our computer in the following word grid and circle them with crayons and take help of the hints given below. That is, you will have to find out all these words here in this grid. You will have to find out. Program is already encircled, okay, and you need to find out others, CPU, desktop, UPS. So look here, CPU is where? Here. This is CPU. So circle this CPU. CPU circled. Did you all get CPU? Circle that CPU. Then next word is desktop. So desktop is here at the last line. DESktop. K T O P. This is your desktop. Done. Circle this. Then you have UPS. So UPS is here. UPS. So circle this UPS also. Right. Then you have start. Start is where? Here. Here. START. Circle this start also. Then you have monitor. Monitor is where? Here. MONITOR. This is your monitor. Circle this also. Then you have power. Power is where? Where is power? Here. POWER. So circle this power also. Last is window. Window is here in the first column. WINDOW. So this is your window. Done everyone? Did you all write? Finished? Did you all finish writing? I will send this on Snap homework also. I will send it on the Snap homework also. Don't worry. Now I will stop this share and I will unmute you.